Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's your boy SEMO-MAC, and yes, I am back at it. So, I got all kinds of stuff that I got to bring to you, so I'm trying to get these videos kicked out for you. But this one is going to be cool as crap. I'm just going to tell you that right now. But before I jump into this, hey, y'all, I'm telling you, if you're not subscribing to me yet, and you're liking the stuff I do, just hit it up there. Say, I want to follow him. I want to subscribe. And when you like it, hit a like button up there, okay? Just kick it. I'm good with it. Throw me some comments on Comment City. I need it. So, now let's get into this review. I'm going to show you the box this thing came in, and then y'all can like drool afterwards, okay? So, look at this. Yeah, are you reading that? It's called a multi-use torch. Oh yeah. And this right here, my friends, is actually brought to you by the company Koackl. And I think I spelled that right or said it right. And if I'm not, I'm gonna spell it right when I throw it right up there so you can actually see how this thing's spelled. So, crazy names, I understand, but hey, it is what it is. So, and trying to get this redneck to actually pronounce it right is funny as all get out. So there's your entertainment for the day. So, what this thing looks like, that was the box. This is the torch. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. You see that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every man's dream. Yeah, we are loving this like I don't know what. Look at that right down there. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna tell you right now, I have had way too much fun with this thing the past couple days. I don't even know where to start. How about I start out as, I love it. I love it so much. Yes, I do. So, let's break this thing down. Shoo. Like I said, I don't even know where to start. This thing is so fun. But hey, starting off, your power right here. So, oh yeah, got your canister, 1 pound canisters. You can hook them up to that. You can also hook them up to, it gives you all kinds of little instructions right here on the back of the box here. But, you know, you got your little 1 pound, stuff like that. Even the little smaller ones, you can use those, but you got to get an adapter for it. But, hey, all I'm going to say is I'm having fun. So, but technically, this is a blowtorch. Is what it is. It is a torch. You can use this thing for so much, y'all. I mean, it's crazy. It is so crazy. You can use this thing. They have advertised it as, you know, it's technically is CSA certified. And if you don't know what that is the Silver Kitchen Cooking Torch certification is what this is. So for all of you fancy cookers out there, you know, when you're browning your creme brulee and all that good stuff, yeah, you can use this for that. It's certified for it. Searing steaks, vegetables, all that stuff like that. So for cooking, you're certified. You can use it. That's not what I used it for. No, I didn't use it for that. So what I used this bad boy for, yeah, I used it for pretty much starting fires. I'm not gonna lie. So before we get to that footage, let's break this down a little bit. So this thing will actually can heat up to 2,462 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's kind of like the sun, ain't it? That's freaking hot is what that is. I mean, this is, guys, I'm sorry, I'm just having way too much fun with this. How this thing actually works is you put your propane down here, your little 1 pound bottle, right up here on top. As you can see, that right there is to actually control how much fuel you actually let out. So this is your igniter, or not your igniter, but this is controls how much fuel goes out so you can light it. Right here on your trigger is actually how it lights. So you turn this on just a little, guys. It clearly states, do not put this full force and try to light it. Don't do that. Go a couple turns here, right here, just a little bit. Click it. It might take you a couple times to get the air out of the line if you just put a fresh one on, okay? It did with me, like 2 or 3 clicks, and it finally lit. Once you do that, you'll see it light out the end, and then you can adjust however far you want to go with it, all right? As you can see, I don't know if it'll do it in here. Yeah, I got too much light in here. But it does spark. That's where your sparker is. It's right there. It'll light it. And then you get to have fun. That's just all there is to it. But just the uniqueness of this, of how it's designed. And yes, we all know what it's designed like. And yes, I love it. And that is the reason why I requested this from the company. And I am so grateful that they actually sent it to me, because I'm having, like I said, way too much fun with this thing. Some things that you can do with it, like I said, I've already discussed about, you know, cooking and stuff like that. But, you know, if you're having problems lighting your charcoal grill, getting it hot enough, maybe you got a big smoker. You know, if you're doing a good, you know, have a good pit smoker and you're using that for the weekend, I mean, instead of lugging that big old 20-pound tank around with you, and you got your big old, you know, handle blow torch trying to do all that, hey man, why don't you roll up to that competition, act a little, got a little cool, you know? It's like, hey, this is what I'm lighting mine with. So, hey, we all love the barbecue scene. We all love those. If you're going to them, you might as well look cool. So you might as well use something like this to light your daggum barbecue pit with. I mean, that's what I do. So, and I got one, so now I just got to buy me a pit. I don't think my wife will go for that, but hey, I can't help it. I can always try. So, but yeah, I mean, this is great for anybody, y'all. Cooking enthusiasts, grill masters, we covered that, campers, DIY hobbyists. And what I mean by the hobbyists like that, I'm gonna set this aside for a second and show y'all. Now, full disclosure, I did not do that with this. I have a little small one that I've done this. So my little tabletop that I made right here, as you can see, it's the burnt wood, and I put a clear coat on it. You can do it with this right here. You know, if you got a pretty big, because I'm gonna tell you right now, what I used on this is just one of those little small ones, little handheld that you sit there and do that with, and it took me a while. Pop that bad boy out and roll it across there. It won't take you that long. So projects like that, you can use this and it'll look cool doing it. So, but yeah, pretty much the big key on this is don't overdo it. Okay. That is one of the big warnings that they throw out for this product, is when you're using this, you know, use it for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't sit there and do a prolonged 10, 15 minutes, because you will overheat this. You could mess this up right here. So don't do that. You know, this is made to do lighting and stuff like that, not to sit there and burn it for, you know, 45, 30, you know, 35, 45 minutes. It's not for that. Don't do that. But you know, one thing they tell you when you actually light this, do not hold it down. Do not hold it straight up. Keep it at kind of a 45 to a 90, something like that. It's very easy. I mean, you can control right here, light right there, and you're good. You know, and y'all are gonna don't laugh at me, but I'm fixing to post up here. So what I have used this for, the first little video, little snippet I'm gonna throw up here for you, because I had to do this in between me working and everything. So I just got little snippets of different things. But up here, we had a bunch of boxes from Amazon because I'm getting so much stuff in. So I think the delivery guy knows my address by heart. That's just all there is to it. But I got it right up here. You're gonna see me burning boxes. This thing lights perfect, burns them perfect. You know, I'm having so much fun with this up here. It's crazy. You know, I even giggled at the end of it, which I probably will cut it off just for time being here. But yeah, my wife laughed at me because she was filming, and I turned around and I was like, oh yeah, I love this thing. So there's that one. And then the next one that I'm throwing up here for you is another good thing, good use for this right here is I'm actually cleaning my grill. We were actually going to grill today, and I was burning all the stuff off of it just to get some footage and stuff like that. And it started raining on me, so I didn't get to grill because I was actually going to show y'all how I lit this bad boy up with the charcoal, you know, how to light it and everything. But it started raining on me, so I had to bring everything in the shop. But that's that one right there. This stuff burned it off, all the stuff that I had, all the little crispies and cruddies and all of that. You know, that's another good thing for this. You can use that to burn all that off. And the last little snippet I got up here for you, I'm actually in the shop. I could not get y'all a really good during the day, how you can see that flamethrower. So yeah, I had some fun. I kicked out the lights on the other side of my shop over here, and we lit this bad boy up. So you're going to see right up here right now what this bad boy looks like on the flame, and how far it's going to shoot out. And it's not bad, I ain't gonna lie. It went further than what I thought it was going to. So but there that was right up there. But yeah, y'all, this thing's just so much fun. That's just all there is to it. I know y'all are gonna want one of these. They come in different styles. They have different colors. They've got an OD green one, or actually a real bright army green one, real dark color. They've got one that's trimmed where this is silver, it's in gold. So yeah, they got all kinds. They got smaller ones. They got some that actually has the buttstock that comes all the way out, so it really looks like a, you know, your nice little pew pew. So but yeah, they got all kinds, y'all. Y'all got to go check these out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a link down in my description for you, and it'll have all of those laid out, because you can go to one page and they're all right there, and you can pick which one you want. And for the price, I could be wrong. I'm going to throw this out there, and if I am wrong on this video, I will pop it right up here. But if I'm not mistaken, they are roughly around 49 bucks is what this one was. So you're under 50. And I'm going to be honest with it, the little one that I bought to do little woodwork around here, I think I paid almost 30 bucks for it, and it don't look near as cool as what this thing does. All right. So, but yeah, I'll drop that down there. If y'all like it, jump on there, take a look at it, and grab you one and have some fun with it, because I'm going to tell you right now, this is probably the most fun I've had in a long time with a daggum tool. That's just all there is to it, other than my knives. But yeah, I mean, come on. This is freaking awesome. So, hey, y'all, glad y'all stuck with me. And as I always tell y'all, please be kind. All right. It does go a long way. And, you know, hopefully I'll get everything set up for Screaming Eagle back here. We're going to get a name popped out for me. And when I get all that settled, figured out what it is, I'll throw it on there, and we can induct Mr. Screaming Eagle back here into our videos, because he's going to hang with us for quite a while. So, but hey, that's another product review for me here. Hope y'all liked it. And hey, as always, y'all, I hope you have a great day. And this is SEMO-MAC, and I am out. Peace.